Hello friends, this is Manish from India and today we're gonna have a very special episode. We're gonna talk about strategy, MACD. So let's imagine the one of the very famous legendary cricketer Virat Kohli has reached out to me to learning about to making a money in binary options through pocket option. Okay, I'm going to show a very simple strategy, MACD strategy, and we're gonna teach the Kohli, and alongside you also gonna learn about the strategy. This strategy is a powerful, just like Virat Kohli plays in the match. So if you really like this video, just like it, share it, and comment it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. I also invite you to get into the Telegram channel where I actually post the strategies and the signals which helps you to do trading. The other hand, the link is gonna below in the description. Get into it and write me down a message. Okay, so let's get into the trading platform. We are just using the pocket options right now. So let's go ahead on the pocket options. Don't forget that it's one of the platform that I just going to recommend it to you, and even did have the cool uh, strategies over here. So today we are talking about the MACD strategies, and obviously we need to make sure about that Virat Kohli is actually learning how he actually plays in the field. So if he's hitting a target in the field, we are actually doing the money over here. So let's go ahead, Virat, and let's go ahead, you guys. So first of all, when we are doing a trading, so let's key point that what you can do. It's actually use the demo mode first. The pocket options comes with the demo options where you actually place it with the artificial money with the overall $50,000. Let's imagine practice the demo account without risking your real money. Second, as we're talking about the MACD strategy, it's a beginner strategies for the basic one, and the MACD strategies stands for moving average convergence divergence. I know it sounds like a fancy name, but it's not really. It's a momentum and the trend following indicator. That explains you about this. We're gonna work on that today, so we're gonna understand how it's actually work. Let's imagine once you like having the MACD strategies, it's actually have the default settings for 12, 26, and 9. So let it be default. If you want to make any changes according to your preference, you can go ahead, and if you know how to do that, make sure they understand about that. I always go with the default one, and I will recommend if you're the beginner, go with the default one. Only make a changes if you want to do a changes on that, and look for the MACD strategies and how it goes. And combining with the MACD strategies and other tools, it's also really good options. If you know about this, I do have the bots, and I also share the signals on my Telegram channels. Guys, go ahead and go to the link, and you will be joining up my channel. And I'm actually helping many people. They are making money. I'm also making money, and you're also making money while doing a copy trade or using the MACD strategies. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and comments about the YouTube channel. That's really helps me a lot about this. So coming back to the strategies, combination of the support and resistance zones is also one of the things that while doing a MSRG strategies, you need to be well supported and resistance. And don't forget the trend lines or the candlestick patterns. This is the more important thing. You can actually use it according to your bar chart, whichever you want to go with the bar graph or the candle lines according to that, and trend like do a trade during your trending markets. Avoid the flat sideways movement, and MACD works best with the strong trends, guys. So use proper time frames. Candle time, it's like around like 1 minute. That's the basic one I would recommend. In terms of if you're doing a beginner, you can jump into the 5 seconds. It's up to your choice. But if you're a beginner, guys, obviously be safe and be in a very good way what exactly I'm talking about. And the expiry, it's actually more than like 3 to 5 minutes for signals to play out. So, and the sixth one, I'm gonna talk about the manage risk, guys. Use small amounts per trade, like one of the 5% of your balance max. Don't go ahead, you're gonna blow your money while doing emotional trading. I always talk about that. I made many videos. Don't blow up your money because you're starting and you're learning as a beginner. That's really important to go on that. And what not to do on the pocket options. So don't trade every signal, guys. Not all MACD crossover strategies are reliable, conform with the price actions. And second one, don't trade in flat or sideways market. MACD strategy is like gives false signals when the market is not moving clearly. So make sure like you actually not doing a over trading. Many people did the big mistakes. Even I did the mistake, so I learned from the mistake. I'm just 8 years of experience, more than that, so that's why I'm sharing with you. And stick to the few high quality setups per day. Okay, making three straights in a day, that's going to be a good thing at the start of the day. It hardly takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. Need a help, write me down a message, either it's a telegram or either it's a YouTube channel. I will get in touch with you regarding for this. And don't ignore trends, guys. Always check the overall market directions before taking a trade. And new events, like you can actually be a technical strategist using the like strategies as we today talking about the MACD. So with that, and the audience, like how is going on, if you have any questions regarding for this, obviously reach out to me, comment down, and I will help you on that about this. We're gonna go with this strategy explanation, and make sure like you have the right internet speed and the right platform. Always go with the proper browser. I always go with the Google Chrome and Safari. Those are the best thing I will ever recommend. So now let's get started with that. We're gonna go with the chart. Let's go with the candles right now, and the default is obviously for the 1 minute. Let's go with the strategies enabled. You can actually have multiple strategies. For now, we need to go at MACD strategies. Just enable that. While enabling the MACD strategies, the time frame, keep it as a 1 minute. And let's go with this. You can clearly see those are lines. The default ones 12, 26, 9, and the colors you can also change that according to your preference. I always keep for the default, it's more convenient. And then these are the lines that intersect with each other. There is a currency pair. You can select the currency pair according to your preference. Let me give you an overview of the currency pair. Now, once we are the currency pair and everything has been sorted properly, you can actually make a one trade. I did it for you an example, so you can just see that trade, and I analyzes the market according to that. So let's go with a different currency pair. We're just gonna explore the other currency pair. Okay, so you can see the line crosses above signal line and buy signal. So let's go with a different currency. I'm just gonna go with $35 for now, and make sure like the line crosses and the line is also below line sell signal. And let me give one more time overview of this. If you see that whenever I just change the currency, the things get changed according to the following trends. So MACD strategy is actually like a growing bars for a strong move and shrinking bars for the weakening move. You need to understand that. Let's make one trade according to the strategies. If you see that, that actually explains you why I just chosen the down one. It clearly says that it's gonna go down. So let's go ahead. So when you explore the histograms and the currency pair, you can see that which is more comfortable for you. So while exploring the MACD strategies, you can also make it a switch to the another currency pair in order to get into it. You actually also have available on the right side about the payout percentage, how it's gonna be profit ratio you're gonna be having on it. Look on the each every currency pair. If you've been exploring, I would really want that you should explore this. So according to the trend, it's just gonna go up. Why? Because the intersecting line is actually going to go up. You clearly can see that when they actually intersect with each other, and it's been going up. So the bar line has been going up. Let's go with different. Let's swap to the currency pair at the same time. And guys, remember that don't rush on the trades. Watch for the crossovers, confirm with the histogram. That's how it's been done. Okay, understand the bar, and the moment where you saw that it just got intersected and just started going down, the moment I just did a sell. So wait for a moment and wait for a minute. You will be able to see that the currency pair. Okay. So when you see the swapping on the currency, the histogram actually changes according to the trends. So MACD strategies is actually analyzes that, guys. You can clearly can see that which one is paired for you in a perfect way. Okay, let's go about trend. And so let's USD DCD YER or USD or slash INR OTC. You see the trends, they are actually intersecting with each other, and this one USD THI, it's actually going a parallel almost. This have been intersected with each other, and this is also going down, and you can see it's up. Oh, this is actually down. So let's go with the currency, whichever you like it, guys. That's really important to analyze the market. Don't rush on that. Just take your time to understand the market. That's how you actually make your strategies, your math plans. MACD strategies, and those are actually for to make more comfortable for you guys. And obviously look on the payout options. The more percentage of the payout, it's been more buyers and the sellers are being available over there, and the more reflections of the strategies and intersecting with each other there are. So you have a higher chances to gain the money, and at the same time, need to be very secure while using strategies, because you can burn all of your trade. That is something really important, guys, and you need to be aware of this. So when you look on the MACD strategies, like remember that MACD strategies you need to intersect with your own assumptions. So now the red line and the green line is actually going down. So if you will see the bar lines, they're gonna be actually confirms that the strength of the growing bar is like strong move. So just see the bar and the entry point. You can see the candle. It's just gonna get closed, and once the entry points get started, you should be able to make a trade. And don't forget that MACD actually combines the RSI and trend lines and price actions according to you preference. And let's go with the $40 trade. Okay, let's go with the buy. Swap it to the currency once again. Check whichever MACD strategies we need to work on that. So upward cross buy. Remember that downward cross sell is a key component, and that's how it should works. MACD is like works with trends. Okay, guys. The pocket option, one of the best thing I really like it, like they have the very good currency pair. So it's one of the main thing I really like it and enjoying it having on that. That's why I always prefer to have a pocket option. And don't forget that AI pod also analyzes most of the currency pair and the major one. Also, not with the currency pair, also with the cryptocurrencies that helps you for that. So let's go one more trade. We're just gonna see check. It's actually you can see that the crossover it's gonna happening on the above. If you see that this is going to happen on the 70, so that's how it's worked. So let's go ahead and the buy. Wait for the candle to react, guys. So this is also something you need to be patient about that, because you're gonna jump on that, you're gonna blow up money, because this is something a risky things you're doing. So wait on the strategies to get crossover. The moment where you get crossover it's about, it's gonna be a trade. You just need to make a trade on that particular time. You see clearly see that the bar it's actually going down, the candle is going to close. So let's see, we should be able to change the currency, as this currency is actually not proper like working with the MACD strategy. It's a high risk, so if you're a beginner, don't make those mistakes. Jump on the right one, guys. Okay. Even the MSCD strategies actually work on a demo account, guys. So one of the things that you can also practice, that's why the pocket option is more relevant, because the demo account can be accessible even for the strategy. Even that goal gives you everything over there. The market trends are the same and everything is the same. In fact, it's actually the real account, but the terms of the funds, it's actually the demo funds. So Even you can just change the currency pairs even on the demo account. I've been using the real account, so I already explored that, and I know that's why I'm teaching you guys. So let's go on that. The currency trends, the MACD strategies, jumping. So let's imagine the key rules: avoiding like fake signals. Don't trade every crossover, guys. Avoid flat or sideways markets. Use MACD strategies, clear trends, and let's go with this. Okay, so strategies while entering like trade, price bonuses from support and resistance, MACD even with a crossover. So while exploring the currency pair, you also need to make sure about that the lines are, they both have to, if it's a steady and the straight, don't bet on that. If you're the beginner, that's gonna be a very complicated to make a trends on that. So go with the someone that is intersecting with each other and making a crossover. That's one of the things that you should be able to know. And if you're talking about the higher values and possible uptrend, look for a buy. So let's so first of all, you can clearly see that just had a crossover. That's why it just jumped down, and we went for the sell. So wait for a minute, and you can see the how it reacted and how I took a decision on that. So during low volume or sideways movement, MACD like gives some fake signals. It shouldn't work. Like major news is expected, price spikes before technical setup, guys. So its own always conform with the price action or trend structure. In this, actually see all of them going down. So this is parallel, no, not take it. This is also parallel, flat. Okay, this one something is good. We can jump on that. This is also intersected with each other crossover. This is also good. So let's go with this one. I'm just gonna bet. You clearly can see that it's going down. So we can bet it for $50, and we can see it's just up because the crossover it's going up, and it happened and it's moving up. Higher chances the candle, the closing bars will be going to be here, and the entry point was from here, and the bar points going to close right now. So moving to the currency pair, just okay. So that was a hit, and according to strategies, that was okay, normal. Sometimes, as I mentioned, like MSA strategies helps you a lot, but still you need to use your own analyzers regarding for this. Like let's go one more trade. I'm just gonna go buy, sorry, I'm just gonna go crossover. I just happened, and it's gonna be go up. So you clearly can see that it's gonna go up and it's making a progress over there. Let's analyze the other currency right away. At the same time, like whenever you just made a bet, you can actually explore, and you should explore the different currency. It is really important, guys, because that's how you actually make a good trade and a good strategies. Okay, let's focus on that. Give a time, even if you're giving 30 minutes a day or 1 hour, just give your whole focus on that. That's okay. Just don't make a trade. A three trade is enough, and just analyze the market. At least you know what exactly it's been trend and how it's going to reflect on that. Even in fact, just on the trade, and that's was the thing. So the trade just got closed, and now we are going for the trade. As you saw that this MACD once actually shown, and hooray, we just won one more funds. That's crazy. So let's switch it to the currency pair. Okay, so Jeep BP is it's one of the thing. It can be taken a bet because it just crossed line and it's going down. Let's go with different. USD, okay, this is see, it's parallel, it's so risky. Never use the MACD strategy. This one, okay, it's near to that crossover. Obviously, it's just been going down. That's why I just hit it to the sale. Change the currency. I'm just going to move into the currency, and The reason why I just choose is obviously that though both are intersecting each other and crossing down. Understand that, and this is the same main thing has to be happen. As the time period is for 1 minute, and as I mentioned, like 1 up to 5% of your capital per trade, it's that's how you to do that. In this one, you can see that it's been going up, and there's a parallel. Okay, no, no, obviously not risk on that. This is the no. It's a good idea to using this strategy. Obviously not. Obviously not. Not okay. No. Okay. Good. No, obviously it's been parallel. No, obviously not. This is also good. This is also good. You can actually move into this one. This is actually intersecting each other and making a crossover. One other thing, like the MACD is actually showing you. But let's see. This is also good. Let's make a bet on that. I'm gonna change the with a currency amount. I'm going with a 70, and if you clearly see that they both are up and they're parallel to each other. Now wait until for the trend. Wait until the it goes the rejection candle and the entry point. We need to wait for that. So once the candle closes, okay, you clearly can see that the line is been going to intersect each other. Okay, so they are not actually making a crossover. Go ahead and swap the currency, guys. Make it to the perfect currency. That's why the strategies are important. Okay, this seems looks like this is gonna be a crossover, and obviously jumping down. Wait until it get intersect with each other. Wait for the candle get closed, so you can move it to the jump point and make an entry point over there and make a sell on the trade. What about this? Yeah, give it your time. Be in the comfort zone in order to do that. So just be relaxed and just analyze the market. It's been doing right now. You clearly can see that we are just waiting to get crossover, and soon it should get crossover. It seems like they're actually pretty near to each other. It should be good then. Okay, just got and currency. Okay, now like let's go with different currency. It's not making a progress, so it's not gonna work properly. So let's go with a different currency pair. You can see that there are most of the options over here. Euro AUD, Euro USD. You see that this one is actually going to intersect with each other. This one down, this one's parallel, this one. Oh, this is nice. We can jump on that. This is not okay. This is also good. Let's make a bet on this. Let's go to swap. It's just near to each other. They are not making a momentum. This one, okay. We can wait for a second. Let's see until it gets changed. No, 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 not really, not really. No, obviously, no, no. This is no, no. This is no. This is no. This is no. Oh, oh, this is yes. Yeah, obviously, this just made a crossover, guys. We can actually make a bet. Let's see. As you saw that the crossover lines been crossover each other and they went to up. So that's why just wait for a minute and the MS according to the MACD strategies and the reaction, we just need to buy that. So it has to be in such a way. Let's go ahead and wait on that. Oh, they started falling down, guys. So okay, the lines is actually going up. Okay, the candle actually just got close. Entry point. Let's see. Oh, damn. Okay, the crossover actually went down. That's why it was not a hit target. So guys, let's see how the strategies were useful and what are the main key points that you need to focus on, that buying and the selling, like if they are the straight line, If they are not making a momentum, if they're parallel, this is something really risky. Never make a place on that if you're using the MACD strategies. Obviously, more about the MACD strategy is actually about when they get momentum to each other and make a crossover. So next time if you see that any currency pair is actually intersecting with each other, that's how you make a strategy and make it a buy or sell and trade. So, friends, I just tested the MACD strategies with Virat, and it's just more effectively, more simple, and accessible, just like our Virat Kohli, the sportsman. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share it with your friends, and join with the Telegram channel. It's one of the things that you need to do that because I always send us signals over there. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Even whenever I just make a new video, you will be going to be watchable over there. So for now, see you guys and have a lovely day.